Hey guys, how you doing? This is Marco Kino. I am a systems and automation specialist at our company LEADZ, where we provide business owners like yourself the right system and automation to scale your business and take it to the next level. Now, every week we share tutorial videos to our clients and subscribers in giving them value and making sure that they are aware of the features and tools inside our all-in-one CRM. Now, for today's video, I'm going to show you another tutorial. And if you don't have any CRM yet, we offer 30-day free trial so that you can test it out and also follow through the tutorial videos that we are creating so you can do it yourself and get results as soon as possible. Hey Superstar, hope you're doing awesome. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to set up your coupons with a new feature in the CRM. Right now, you can create unlimited discount codes so you can apply them to a specific product or even to all your purchase pages. And the first step is to create that coupon under payments. And from here, you can see coupons on the top part corner. Just click on that and then start creating coupon by clicking this button in the right hand corner and define your coupons. Put the name, for example, TRM discount, and then the coupon code. You can create your own code, or you can allow the system to generate one for you, which is going to be more random. But if you want to use like branded name, you can do so as well, like Ivy League CRM. And then you can select the coupon type, with whether that's a percentage coupon based on the price or a fixed coupon. So a fix would be an amount, a percentage would be like 80% off, something like that. So we're gonna use the fixed coupon for this one. Let's say it's going to be 1000, right? And then the start date, this it's needed as well. You can schedule this in a future date if you want a coupon to be launched on future date. But if you want it to be launched as early as today or right now, then choose the date today. And then the start time as well, you can select that. Let's say today is 5 say 5 p.m. So it means when I create this is going to be available right away. Okay, end date as well. You can create an expiration. How long will this coupon be, applicable? Let's say until Monday next week at 5 p.m. Eastern time. And then you can even limit the total number of, the times the coupon can be redeemed, or even select, the coupon to be applied to a specific product. So since this is going to be a CRM discount, then this should be applied to the CRM um, page that we have. So when I click this one, I can actually you know select the product. Oh, actually, this is gonna be weird because the discount is higher than the price. Well, it's a matter of setting up your own. So let's just say this is for the Dream Assistant for this example. DA, hire DA. There you go. And then I'm gonna select the product, which is the Dream Assistant Platinum. And then I'm gonna click on create. And then I have the coupon created. Then I can go into the actual page and we can see the coupon is there. So let me click on get started. I'm gonna fill this info. From here, you can see enter coupon code, right? So I'm gonna go back here. I use this coupon code. I'm gonna copy and then paste it here. And when I click on apply, I should get a discount of 1,000. Coupon code is not applicable on. Oh, there you go. Platinum. I choose that on the platinum. Not sure if that's the 6 month. Let's say this one. Oh, there you go. The coupon has been applied, which gave me, you know, 1,000 discount, which is exactly what I put as discount on the coupon setting. All right, that's how you set it up. If you want to use the coupon, across all your purchase pages, then you can just turn off this setting, so all of your purchase page will be affected by this coupon. All right, you can create unlimited coupons as you want. You can schedule them, and then you can select a start end date, so it also can be limited to a date and even total number of times the coupon can be redeemed. All right, this is a new feature. Be excited for more to come because the developer team are working on awesome things that we're gonna roll out for you as soon as possible. I hope you learned something today. If you need more clarity on this tutorial, let us know so we can provide you more information. Have a great weekend.